Wag lang puro trabaho, trabaho, trabaho. Bigyan mo naman ng oras yung sarili mo. If you enjoy your life, you will have the energy. Amen? People should eat and drink and enjoy the fruits of their labor because these are the gifts from God. Kumain ka, magpahinga ka, uminom ka, magsaya ka. Dahil yan ang regalo ng Diyos sa iyo.